In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect OTG to iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy-to-follow instructions on how to properly set up an OTG cable and use it to connect any devices to your iPhone 15 Pro Max. You will be able to connect it and use it to transfer files or do whatever you wish. So first, make sure that USB accessories are enabled on your iPhone's Face ID and passcode settings. So access the settings and find this category. One of the last options is going to be USB accessories or simply accessories. Make sure that this is enabled so you will never run into any issues when connecting your OTG cable. Now, all that you have to do is get the right adapter. So for example, purchase a USB-C to USB adapter that is compatible with your OTG drive. You can just purchase whatever cable is going to fit into your iPhone 15 Pro Max's port and then the other one for a flash drive or whatever it is that you are connecting it into. So plug one end of the adapter into your iPhone 15 Pro Max port and then the other one into your OTG drive or whatever it is that you are using. If you are using it to transfer files, you will be able to open the Files app on your iPhone and you should see the OTG drive listed under Locations or somewhere else. Now you will be able to tap on that specific drive and access it to manage all of the files. You will be able to repeat this as many times as you wish with as many flash drives or other devices that you have, and you will always be able to access them as long as they are successfully plugged in to the port available on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. This will work flawlessly for any other iPhone model, and you will be able to find the Files option and then choose to browse through from the flash drive. You will see all of the files, you can manage them, copy, make a backup, delete, and whatever you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone OTG to iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.